How to gift a Skillshare membership. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can gift a Skillshare membership. To do so is very simple. The first step is to open a new tab, and in the tab, just type Skillshare gift membership in the search box. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page where you see a number of blog posts. Ensure you select the first one, which says give the gift of learning with Skillshare gift cards. And then after selecting that, you will be redirected to another page entirely. On this page, scroll down and then click on gift a membership. Alright, and so after selecting that, you'll be taken to the page where you can now go ahead to gift your membership. And how do you do so? On this page, you can see Skillshare, you can see the different gift cards that are available. Then the next step would be for you to select the membership that you would like to get. Is it a 3 months, 6 months, 12 months? Just go ahead and select it. Then, for example, I'll be selecting a 3 month membership. So just click on buy. Then after selecting buy, you can see another page will be displayed. On this page, you can now select whom you want to gift it to. Is it someone else or yourself? If someone else, ensure you select that. Then enter your name. Alright, for example, my name, and then you can enter the recipient's name in here. This is just an example, and then enter in a message if you want to, and then select the means of receipt. Do you want it to be by email or by print? If it's by email, select it. Then you have to enter in the email of the person that you would like to send the gift card to. All right, so just go ahead and type that out here. Come, and then click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next page, okay, where you have to enter in the email address that you want to receive the receipt. Actually fulfill this capture, then enter in your card number, your expiration date, security code, and click on pay now. And immediately after paying, a receipt will be sent to your email address, and the membership would be gifted to the person that you want to send it to. As simple as that. All right, it is that simple. Okay, and then just if you have a promo code, you can apply it and you're good to go. So this is it. Okay, this is how you can get a Skillshare membership. So ensure you take an opportunity, take this opportunity and get that person today. Have a good day.